and welcome to my channel. So today I am super excited. I know I say that about every single video, but guys, I really am excited about this one because I have been wanting to film one of these videos since I did my last one. I've done 2 of these so far, I'm pretty sure, on my channel, and you guys seem to love them. I love them. It's like Christmas morning in a video. But anyhow, this is the most expensive beauty makeup mystery box that I have done. This is a $150 mystery box that I purchased from eBay. I did purchase from a seller that I purchased from before, and I will leave all of her information linked down below. She is an awesome seller, fast shipping, and you definitely get your money's worth plus a lot more. So I'm not sure how much the value of this is. We will add it up, but I know with this seller that I get my money's worth. It's not going to be a bunch of BS, and it's going to be good stuff. So hopefully there's a lot of newer products in here that I can test out for you guys, but I am just going to go ahead and dig in. So I've got my handy dandy little knife thing right here. So alright, so as soon as I open it up, I just see this. There's some bubble wrap in there to protect everything. This is your item list with retail value. Have fun. So I'm just going to leave this here, and then at the end we'll go through the prices and all that. We'll add it up and we'll see what the real value of this box is. Again, I paid $150 for it. So I see a palette. I'm gonna try to like keep it over here where I don't peek. So I'm just gonna reach in, and everything seems to be bubble wrap, so that's good. Okay, so this looks like this is a BH Cosmetics palette, which I love BH Cosmetics. This is the Desert Oasis, and I do not have it, so super excited about this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so it is a 19 color shadow and highlight palette. So it looks like, and you could probably even use some of these as bronzers. I don't know, these are really beautiful shades and really big pan sizes. So over here you have all of your pretty, beautiful highlights, and then over here are your 2 shadow, or over here is your shadows. So love this. You know, I'm all about the neutrals. This would definitely be an everyday palette, and you got a couple pops of color in here. So super excited to play with this, and those shades look gorgeous. Again, bubble wrapped. Okay, so this is a Stila palette. This is the eyes are the window, and it is in the shade Soul. Oh, that's pretty. So there is that, and I have never used Stila shadows before. This is definitely pulling more on the cool tone side, which is okay with me because really I always gravitate towards warm tone palettes. 90% of the time I'm not going to buy a cool tone palette. So I'm glad to have this in my collection now. But yes, very pretty. Again, bubble wrap. This is by Kevin Aquan. Okay, guys, you know Kevin Aquan is super pricey. And I have just started dabbling in his stuff. The only thing I really used from him, I used that foundation, that weird foundation balm, and then the Neo bronzer, which I'm obsessed with. I love it. I can't get it out of here. There it goes. Oh wow, this is really packaged up nice. It's got a little velvet sleeve that it came in. Here is the beautiful packaging. Oh my god, this is massive, guys. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go grab a highlight brush. We are going to test this right now. Alright guys, so I went and grabbed a highlight brush, and I just have to. My highlights kind of come off. You don't really see it, so There we go. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. So stinking pretty. Okay, super excited about this baby right here. I'm definitely going to be getting my use out of this. I love it. It's like such a soft, pretty, subtle, but pretty highlight. So absolutely love that. So happy that was in there, because I have actually been looking online at Sephora at the Neo highlighter, and I'm like, I don't know, it's just too pricey. I got so many highlights, so I hadn't done it, so I'm super glad that was in there. All right, let's keep it going. Okay, so we got 2 products in here. The first one is the Clay Pot Amazonian Clay Waterproof Liner in Rose Gold. So there's what the box looks like. Seems like a big box for a, yeah, it's just a little pot. And there is just rose gold liner. That's neat. I'm not really into like liquid liner and things like that, but I can definitely put this in a giveaway for you guys. So that will be going there. Oh, okay, the next thing I see is from IT Cosmetics. This is the Bye Bye Pores blush, and this is in Sweet Cheeks, which is warm peachy pink. You guys know I'm a sucker for a peach blush, and I do really like the Bye Bye Pores line by IT Cosmetics, so I'm sure I'm gonna love this. Oh, that's beautiful. Perfect, right up my alley. It kind of looks like NARS Orgasm. These blushes I've been getting here lately keep reminding me of that, but it does. And it has like the little gold flecks in there, so that's what it reminds me of. Oh wow, we got a bunch of stuff right here. This seller really protected her items. I really like that. And they're all high-end products, you know, never been used. I've watched some of these videos before, and guys, people get some of the craziest stuff. Okay, this is a highlight low light face contour duo, and this is in the shade light, and this is the Sephora brand. So I'll probably throw this in a giveaway as well, because this is going to be too light for me to contour, but you get a matte contour on this side, and then you get, I'm not sure if there is shimmer in that. It might be just a matte highlight, so that will be going in a giveaway as well. But I wish it was my shade, because I'm a sucker for cream contour products. The next thing in this little pack right here is from Stila, and this is the Smudge eyeliner, and this is in the shade Espresso. So it's a brown eyeliner. It looks like this. I do really like brown eyeliners. The next thing I see is Blinking Beauty. These are Luxe Silk Lashes in the shade Brunch. They look like this. And I may attempt to try to wear these sometime, or just put them in a giveaway. You guys know I do not wear lashes. I just, you know, I use Latisse, and I try to make my lashes the best they can be on their own. I might get a wild hair one day and decide to put them on. I actually went to the drugstore and went crazy the other day and found that they have the magnetic liner and lashes. So I did pick that up, and I probably am going to test it out in a video sometime. And I actually just filmed a drugstore tutorial, and I should have included that, but I forgot. Oh, I just bought one of these at Ulta. It is a pencil sharpener. Can never have enough of these, but dang it. And this is a Nude Sticks liner. I mean, a Nude Sticks pencil sharpener. Oh, okay, and then it goes along with this Nude Sticks matte lip crayon, and this is in the shade Rose. So I've used some of Nude Stick's face products, but I have not used any of their lip products. So excited to try that. And the last thing in the box is an It Cosmetics brush. So this is what it is. You see that on the brush? This is a Heavenly Luxe French Boutique blush, or brush. Oh, so this would be like a good powder, blush, bronzer, or just a powder brush. But that is super cute. Very, very, very soft. I love It Cosmetics brushes. So definitely get my use out of that. Now, the fun part. Let's go through and add everything up and see just how much all of this stuff would have cost me if I would have went out and purchased it on my own. Okay, so here's the note that she sent me. Okay, so the Kevin Aquan Neo highlighter would have cost me $58. So very, very, very expensive. And again, I didn't know if I told you guys, but this is in the shade Sahara. This is the Golden Rose Gold. So I think this is the product I'm most excited for, just because it's so pretty. And I don't have to purchase it. Alright, so the Nude Stick Lip Crayon with the sharpener would have cost me $26. I need to be adding this up. 58 plus 26 plus the Stila eyeshadow palette, $49. Jeez, that's a lot for a little palette. The blush brush and the It Cosmetics blush together would have cost me $58. Jeez. The Stila eye pencil is $20. The BH Cosmetics Oasis palette would have cost me $24. The Sephora contour and highlight stick would have cost me $20. The Tarte Rose Gold pot liner would have cost me $21. Oops. And the Blinking Beauty lashes would have cost me $25. So the total value is $301. So double what I paid for this box. Wow. So that makes me feel good. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be putting some of these products in a giveaway for you guys. Because I love you all so, 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 so much. And this, holiday seasons are getting ready to come up. I'm getting ready to do a lot of giveaways. So make sure to stay tuned for all of that. But yes, anyhow, like I said, I'm going to leave this seller in case you are just curious and want to do one of these mystery boxes on your own. You can message her and tell her, maybe she doesn't have, maybe you just want to do like a $20 box or a $30 box or something like that. You can message her. She's really quick to respond back to you, and she could probably put something together for you. And she's really, really sweet. The next time we do this, we might do a themed video. She's got indie brand products. She's got, she could do drugstore, all high end. If there are certain brands that you're not, familiar with, you haven't tried before, you're curious about, let her know. But yeah, so she's really, really easy to work with. Like I said, she ships really quick. And I've worked with her. This is the second time I've purchased from her, and it's been an awesome experience. Anyhow, thank you, Christy, for this box. I truly appreciate it. I love all the products. You're such an awesome seller. And yeah, so that is everything from the box. We definitely got our money's worth. If there is something that I got in this video that you want me to play with first, that you're curious about, let me know, and I can definitely do that for you guys. And I want to continue doing these videos. I just love these eBay mystery box unboxings. But anyhow, so that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to be a new subscriber. It would make my day. And also, you can hit the little post notification bell so you're notified of all my future uploads. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next ones. Bye.